Good morning. So yesterday we took a lesson called Parts of a Book. Before every story that we read, we usually look at the cover of the book and we talk about three important things. So every storybook has a cover, okay? And today's grammar lesson is about parts of a book. It says here that a book has different parts. It has the front, it has the back. But today we will focus or pay attention to the front part of the book. On the cover of a book, as we mentioned before, the book has a title. What is the title? The title is the name of the story or the name of the book. Okay? As you see here, this is a book cover. Okay, or the cover of a storybook, and it has a title. I told you in class that title means name. Okay, so we can say what is the name of the book or what is the title. When you hear the word title, remember that it's the name of the book. Okay, every book or every story has a name. So what is the title of this book? This title of this book is called Max the Cat. Okay? So, when you get a book cover or a cover of a story, and I ask you, what is the title? You look for the name of the story. Every story or every book has a different title. Okay? So, what is the title of this book? It's Max the Cat. Okay? What else can you find on the book title? You'll find the name of the author. Who is the author? As we said before, the author is the person who writes the book or writes the story. Okay? So again, title is the name of the book or the name of the story. The second, author. Author is the person, the man or the woman who writes the book or who writes the story. If you look at this book cover, you'll see that the author's name is Anne Morris. The word by means the person who made this. Okay, so the name starts from after the word by. If I ask you, who is the author is Anne Morris. All right? The third thing that is usually written on the book cover is the illustrator. The illustrator is the person who draws or illustrates the pictures in the book or in the story. Okay? I know they're new words, and we couldn't finish completing the page yesterday. So that's why I'm repeating it again. Okay? So title is the name of the book or the name of the story. If you look here, what is the name of the book? Max the Cat. Author. Author is the person who writes the book. Her name is Anne Morris. What about the illustrator? The illustrator is the person who draws the picture and draws the picture of the book cover and the story. Okay, who is the illustrator? Okay, remember we take the name after the word by. Kathy Ember. So who is the illustrator? Kathy Ember. At the bottom here says the title. The title is the name of the book. The author is the person who wrote or writes the book. The illustrator is the person who drew the book. Okay? Where can I find this? In the front of the book. You'll find this on the book cover. Okay, now we will use this book cover to answer the questions on page 24. Number 1, it says, what is the title of this book? Okay, remember title is the name of the book. What is the title? Max the Cat. We will write Max the Cat here. Number 2, who? Who? The word who is a question word. We use this word when we ask about who is about a person. Okay? So the word who is asking about the name of the person. Who is the author? We said author is the person who wrote the book. Let's go to the book cover and look for the name. Anne Morris. Okay, and we will write Anne Morris here. Who is the illustrator? Who is the illustrator? The person who drew the pictures in the book. Okay, let's go back to the book here and see. Illustrated by, her name is Kathy Ember. For number 3, you will write Kathy Ember. Okay, so does each book have the same title? No. Does each book have the same author? No. Does each book cover have the same illustrator? No. You will go to the book cover and you will find the answers from it. Title? Look for the title. That's the name of the book. And it says by, and then it would say the name of the author. If it says illustrated by, then you'll find the name of the person who drew the pictures on the story. Here is the for 4 and 5. The answers will be different because you will answer this. Okay, number 4 says, what is the title of your favorite book? You will write the title or the name of the book that you like to read. What pictures on the cover? And this is also something that you will write your answer. So you will write the picture that you see of your favorite book. Okay, and that was today's lesson that we took in our last session yesterday. See you guys later.